Kinoilam ke Meghalaya SSA School Association MSSASA haka arpusan tarik risau araja arpusan kila pentip baka association kala Thep daka review petition sya Supreme Court of India bakan pej benya ya ka hukum kabelum mi haka si tarik unai luar araja arpusan. Ketika hukum na Supreme Court ka kedau babaro kino hikai kin hab banyak kon ya ke teacher eligibility test Henry ke association ke don jeng song khia bakin don kino hikai ki basa setang kat tu kat nisnam bakin song thajno. Kini kerai ban Thep review petition kalami na kejalang men haka Henry tarik risau araja arpusan hamadan malki haka bala pens ngau ya ki babon kimat jing dawa ka association bat kiwe de kimat ki bala Thep banyakran bat ke sarkar jella. Uba Aristotle si rembai President ka association ulaong bala Thep ya ka review petition haka arpusau tarik risau arajar arpusan.
We are here to inform you all the SSA teachers in particular and other categories of teachers in general in the state of Meghalaya that the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body yesterday the 24th of October 2025 we have filed a review petition in the Honorable Supreme Court of India seeking the Honorable Supreme Court to review its final judgment dated 1st September 2025 in the case of Anjuman Ishaq-e-Talim Trust versus the state of Maharashtra, which have made teachers' eligibility tests mandatory for all in-service teachers, irrespective of their length of service. So we would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all the SSA teachers for their support and prayers that make us possible to file this case yesterday. So if there is any latest update regarding this case, we will inform you in the days to come. Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam mangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.